Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you all have seen the thumbnail, in this video we are going to analyze second shift of RRB clerk prelims paper. One more thing, my exam was on shift 2. If you have exam on the same shift, please share your attempts in comment box. Now let's start discussing, starting with quantitative aptitude. In quant, 12 questions were asked from simplification, 10 questions were asked from arithmetic, 5 wrong number series was asked, 5 questions was from line graph and 5 from tabular DI. As you can see, this kind of table DI was asked, and the questions from the DI were very simple and direct except one question. The question was: A sold total 91 items, D sold 1 to the power 3 upon 13 items more than A. So I do not understand what was asked and what to do in that question, so I skipped that question. The next 5 set of questions was asked from line graph. Questions was easy and graph was also not too difficult to read. So the questions overall, the line graph was easy to solve. So these were 40 questions asked in quant. Now let's discuss the paper of reasoning. Now let's discuss the reasoning section. In reasoning, when the paper opened, the first set of questions was from syllogism. I don't remember exact number of questions, but most of the statement was based on only a few. Total 4 sets of puzzle was asked. One puzzle was based on flattened floor, where you have to arrange 6 persons in 3 floors and 2 flats P and Q. The next puzzle was designation based, where you have to arrange 7 people according to their designations. After that, one puzzle was from uncertain number of people sitting in a row and all of them were facing north. And next puzzle was box based, where you have to arrange 7 boxes. Later series was also asked. I think 4 or 5 questions was from later series, 3 or 4 questions was from inequality, 2 question was from blood relation, 2 or 3 questions was from alphanumeric series, and 2 questions was from miscellaneous. I remember one question where one word is given, exclaim, and you have to find the exact number of letters between them as in alphabetical series, and the word was exclaim. This is all for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe it and hit the bell icon.